my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Happy holidays to all of you guys. Hope you are doing wonderful, well, and hope you're being kind to each other. Hope you guys are staying safe as well. This is obviously the most depressing time of our lives, and to be honest with you guys, it has been a very stressful week, stressful time, and it really is affecting me, to be honest with you. Not a lot of people do talk about this, but I have to say I am going to be the first one to tell you that it has been affecting me a lot, because I feel like, you know, we were making some strides forward and we are back to square one with this Omicron virus, and all we can do is practice our social distancing, hand washing, and wearing masks. What else could we do? And we just have to hope and pray to God that this pandemic would be over soon, because it's really, really difficult. And in any case, I just had to say that to you guys, just in case you guys want to, you know, comment on how you're feeling in the description box. That would be wonderful. And I think it's a very important conversation to have. It's not a depressing one to have, but it's a good conversation to have and say, listen, I'm just a little down and out, but this is what I'm doing to pick myself up. And like I'm doing today, I thought I'm going to come on camera and put on some makeup and show you guys how I came up with this look. This is my feel-good Christmas makeup look. Very easy, very simple. I've used a few new things in this video today. This red lip crayon is from QUO. It's a QUO brand. If you live in Canada, you go to Shoppers Drug Mart, you will find this. And the name of the lipstick is going to be down below for you guys. And I also use this new product. This is from Avon. This is an eyeshadow primer, and I think it worked really well. And everything else I'm going to leave in the description box for you guys, so you know exactly what I used on my face. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe. Happy holidays. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles.